The biggest risk is not taking any risk. Don't discount yourself, no matter what you're doing. Everyone has a unique perspective that they can bring to the world. I think a simple rule of business is, if you do the things that are easier first, then you can actually make a lot of progress. If things aren't breaking, then you're not moving fast enough. People learned by making mistakes. When you want to change things, you can't please everyone. If you do please everyone, you aren't making enough progress. Give everyone the power to share anything with anyone. In terms of doing work and in terms of learning and evolving as a person, you just grow more when you get more people's perspectives. I really try and live the mission of the company and keep everything else in my life extremely simple. Nothing influences people more than a recommendation from a trusted friend. By giving people the power to share, we're making the world more transparent. Facebook was not originally created to be a company. It was built to accomplish a social mission, to make the world more open and connected. Instead of building walls, we can help build bridges. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that's changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. Find that thing you are super passionate about. Advertising works most effectively when it's in line with what people are already trying to do. Simply put, we don't build services to make money, we make money to build better services. Helping 1 billion people connect is amazing, humbling, and by far the thing I am most proud of in my life. Building a mission and building a business go hand in hand. People don't care about what you say, they care about what you build. If you actually do something you love, it's a lot easier and takes on a lot more purpose. Move fast, take risks. It's okay to try big things. You're better off trying something and having it not work and learning from that than having not done anything at all. If we want to have the biggest impact, the best way to do this is to make sure we always focus on solving the most important problems. The trick isn't adding stuff, it's taking away. Having two identities for yourself is an example of a lack of integrity. The most important thing is to keep your team as small as possible. Books allow you to fully explore a topic and immerse yourself in a deeper way than most media today. I'm looking forward to shifting more of my media diet towards reading books. I generally think if you do good things for people in the world, that comes back and you benefit from it over time. When you give everyone a voice and give people power, the system usually ends up in a really good place. So, what we view our role as, is giving people that power. It is important for young entrepreneurs to be adequately self-aware to know what they do not know. There's a difference between being obsessed and being motivated. Companies face a handful of different risks, whether it is competitors or different market environments. But I think that people focus way too much on competitors and not enough on their own execution. What Facebook stands for in the world is giving people a voice and spreading ideas and rationalism. Our mission is to make the world more open and connected. We do this by giving people the power to share whatever they want and be connected to whoever they want, no matter where they are. Mobile is a lot closer to TV than it is to desktop. A squirrel dying in front of your house may be more relevant to your interests right now than people dying in Africa. There are people who are really good managers, people who can manage a big organization, and then there are people who are very analytic or focused on strategy. Those two types don't usually tend to be in the same person. I would put myself much more in the latter camp. Virtual reality is going to be an important technology. I am pretty confident about this.